Who hired you?
Your budget said low-flying production. I qualify. Action!
That's not a prop, that's my snack. You're impossible.
Impossible? Nah, cinematic.
You lost bird?
No, sightseeing! Looking for the capital!
You mean capital?
Tomato! Tomatweedo!
Where's the evidence?
Technically, inside me.
You ate it?
Just keeping it secure in storage. Case closed, officer.
Tell me, why do you want to join the force?
For free sirens and donut breaks. Watch this. Salute!
That's upside down.
Still counts.
All right, you're hired as the station mascot.
Close enough.
Who took my badge?
I'm the new sheriff in town.
That's official property.
Relax. I'm enforcing snack law.